Hello, today I'm going to show you how to join your Google Meet. So you'll notice Google Meet may have a new icon this year. When you click on Google Meet, it will look like this when you open it up. When you click on join a meeting, you type in the meeting code that your teacher has given you, for example, 3SPAC. Now when you push join, it'll try and start you in the meeting. Now if the teacher has not created the meeting yet, it will say the meet code that you're using doesn't match a call that you can join. Or it might say this meeting hasn't started yet. So you just push dismiss and wait for the teacher. Now that the teacher's in the meeting, we can try again. Join a meeting, type in your Google Meet code and press join. Before you join the meeting, make sure your microphone is off and your camera is on, and then join. Now that you're in the meeting, the teacher can see you and you can see the teacher. Tap on the screen to reveal the menu at the bottom. You can see that your microphone is off and you can push the hand symbol to raise your hand and the teacher will call on you. To leave the meeting, press the red hang up button and you'll leave the meeting. Have fun and good luck.